No. Hi, Ellie.
Yeah, it's nice. This is a good investment.
Peekaboo, yeah.
We can use this anywhere.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hi guys, welcome back. Si Ellie. Hi Ellie. Nanood si Ellie. Kasi sinet up namin tong tent guys. Kasi meron kaming camping this weekend. Tinry namin kung okay siya kasi nabili namin to sa Expo. Tapos ayun yung luma naming tent, yung rooftop tent. Pero syempre nabenta na namin yung truck. Tapos binibenta yun ni Travis. So kapag hindi daw niya mabenta, okay lang din daw. Tapos ito yung binili namin bago. What is this, babe?
This is a Gazelle T4 Overland EXP.
T4 Overland EXP. Yan. Tapos papakita ko sa inyo ang loob. Sobrang ganda niya guys. And parang sobrang cozy siya.
So here's, I think this is the footprint right here too.
Malaki siya. This is perfect for like 5 people.
It's big.
Malaki talaga siya. Hi Ellie. Eliana. You like our new tent? She's just watching and chilling. Hi Ellie. Eliana baby. Oh, chismosa oh. Kung anong ginagawa ng daddy niya, gusto niya makita. She always wanna see what you're doing, babe.
Yeah, I was just looking at
Hi baby. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo guys yung loob. So ito yung labas niya. So ikot ko kayo ha. Ito yung port para sa hose ng heater. So magdadala kami ng heater dahil nga medyo malamig na sa bundok at ano na ngayon, fall season. Malaki siya, madali lang siyang i-open kasi ano mo lang to, hilain mo lang siya. Tapos bubukas na siya. Tapos yung sa loob, ang dami niyang mga bintana, oh, 'di ba? Sa loob din 'yan, pwede mo rin siyang i-ano sa loob. Okay, dito tayo sa loob. Hi. 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 Okay, dito tayo sa loob. Meron kaming mattress na sa pen, higaan namin, na dadalhin. Wow, look. Ang laki niya, oh. Ganda. Lang, para makita nyo kung gano'ng kalaki. Dito muna tayo sa pinto. Ganyan siya kalaki. O, diba?
Kinsley.
O, ayan. Tapos, ang dami niyang, bintana. O, kung gusto mong i-open, ayan. See? Tapos, kung gusto mong i-close, ayan, diba? Madami siyang bintana. Pagka gusto nyo pwede ka rin mag-stargazing, char. Hi! Hi! Eliana! Ayan, pwede ka rin mag-stargazing dito. Oh, pak na pak. Oh. Ito naman, yung para mabukas siya ng buo. Ipo-push mo lang yan. Tapos pwede ka rin maglagay dito ng parang ilaw. Diba? Madami siyang pwedeng sabitanan. Ayan. Tapos, may lagayan pa ng ano to? Ay, hindi. Ano lang siya, takip. Takip ata siya para dyan, diba? Tama, takip siya. Tapos, ayan. Dami niyang bintana. Diba? Ang dami niyang mga bintana. Tapos, ang laki niya. O, diba? Ellie! Eliana! Ay, si Ellie. Ellie! Hi, baby!
Yeah, so this is the footprint.
The what?
This is the footprint that goes,
Tapos, meron dito, hindi ko alam kung ano to eh. Ay, ang taray. Wala lang, zipper lang sa labas. Siguro kapag gusto mong ilabas yung yung wire, pwede mo siya ditong ilagay. Tapos, ito yung butas. Yung, basta butas para sa hose. Kasi may diesel heater kami. Magdadala si Travis 2 diesel heater. Nagdadala talaga kami extra just in case na yung kasama namin wala. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos meron pa siyang dito mga lagayan. Wow, sulit na sulit yung bayad mo dito, babe. How much was this?
Originally they're 800.
Wow.
But we got it for 520.
Oh, sale kasi siya nung nabili namin.
It's nice though. You think our big queen air mattress is gonna fit in there?
Oh, yeah. Definitely. That's big.
Well, that's what we're gonna bring then.
Yeah. Oh, you mean the air mattress that what mom and dad use? Yeah, it's gonna fit. But that's huge though. I don't like that it's higher.
Why?
Or do you want it like that?
Do you want to buy one that sits lower?
Oh, because we don't have extra one,
We don't
right?
have an extra.
Okay, then we'll just bring that.
Yeah, we'll just use it.
Yeah. Kasi meron kami air mattress na malaki, so yun naman daw dadalhin
You
namin.
want to go in the tent?
You wanna go inside? You can put her.
You want to go in the tent? Come on. Here. You want to go like this? Can you see?
Gusto niya rin makisali eh. No. Hi, Ellie. I like this because it's like rubber.
Well, it's also waterproof. The bottom is
Right.
waterproof.
Yeah. Ang laki, no? Grabe. So, ayan yung tent namin.
This is Kinsley.
We're
quiet.
super
This is a nice
excited.
one.
Yeah. And I like the color. The color is really nice. We're super excited, guys, na mag-camping ulit. And it's gonna be fall. Mga taglagas na mga maganda yung view sa bundok kapag ka mag-camping ng fall. Is that daddy? Ellie? Is that daddy? Kinsey talaga. Wala lang. Magtahol lang yan siya kung gusto niya. Mga ka ba mga Great Pyrenees, kahit wala na maiktatahol, magtahol lang din talaga siya. Oh, look at you. Is that your daddy? Eliana. Ang baho ng pupo niya kanina eh. Lagi talagang tumatiming na wala si Travis. Ako nagpapalit lagi. Ellie! Eliana! Eliana! Hi! Ellie! Hi, baby! I-fold na ni Travis. Tingnan natin gaano.
This should just pull down.
Oh, wow. Gaano siya kabilis.
And
Ito
these
pe.
will just
Yeah, you just have to push it.
in.
Wow. Bilis, no? Wow. Really. That's crazy. That's it. So we just put the
And then these go up.
but we still need to right? To put the, what do you call it, the stake?
Yeah, so these are the stakes. So when I told you they're overland stakes?
Right. Oh, nice.
For rock.
Wow.
You can twist them in
Yeah.
or hit them in.
How many they gave you?
Oh, there's a bunch.
Oh, wow, that's a lot.
Because remember, you can stake down. This is the rain fly here.
Huh?
This is for rain and
okay.
snow.
You can put it over it
Yeah. Yep.
on top.
Um.
Eliana, you're so happy. Is that your first ground tent? What's wrong with your eyes? Kasi nung una sa rooftop tent siya. Tapos ngayon mag-ground tent naman ng baby. Bait mo talaga, Ellie. Paka-babe mo talaga. Ang paka-babe mo talaga, Ellie. Sana paglaki mo hindi ka makulit. Kung gaano ka ka-behave ngayon, baka makulit ka naman paglaki. Eh, inaano na ni Travis. And you need this, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's how easy it is. Oh, remember we have a portable potty.
Mhm.
Are you gonna bring that too?
Mhm.
Okay.
So this is how I'm gonna do it. So you can kind of fold this over like this,
Yeah.
and then
Elot kontuwa.
Anyways.
Kontuwa ang bata. Wow. At least na-try na. At least we tested it. So,
And then,
everything's good.
yeah, it's that simple.
Yeah.
And then this just zips back up.
Yeah, and there's a lot of space for that. Unlike the other one
So
that
the-
we bought.
And then look,
So hard. Oh, nice.
then this,
You can still strap
that
it.
hugs it.
That is wild. I like that.
Yeah, so this hugs this.
This is not a sponsor, guys. We bought this.
Yeah, we paid money for this.
Yeah.
And then, so you put this in here.
Don't forget to... Babe, we can't forget the bug spray.
Yeah, and then you're good. That's it.
Yeah.
So very,
Wow,
very,
very easy.
Yeah, that's the way to go.
Nice, yeah. Eliana. Eliana. Hi, baby. Magji-gym si mommy, ha? Magji-gym si mommy. You're gonna be with daddy. I'll go to the gym probably around 1.
Yeah, it's nice. That's this is a good investment.
Peekaboo! Yeah.
We can use this anywhere.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo! You look like your daddy, my goodness.
baby.
Peekaboo! You didn't strap her?
No. Come here. You wanna
Go
play
see
in the
daddy.
grass? Here.
Is that your new tent? Ellie, is that your new tent? Eliana. Eliana. So, ayun guys, meron kaming camping this weekend. Tinry lang namin siyang i-open kasi matagal na sa amin yung tent. Siguro mga 3 weeks na nandito nung binigay sa amin ng friend namin kasi galing siyang expo. Binili ni Travis, nagpabili siya doon. So, tinry namin. Maganda siyang tent guys, malaki. So, perfect siya pang mga 5 tao, ganun. Tapos, ang dami niya rin bintana, mga bulsa, ganun, lagayan. And ang camping namin katapusan nitong October kasi nga 'di ba wala na kaming roof. Meron kaming rooftop tent pero yung truck namin nabili na and ayaw ni Travis gawing yung Raptor niya. Parang ayaw niyang gawin yung parang setup na ginawa niya sa Trail Boss. Gusto niya yung parang yung parang simple lang ganun. Kasi dadalhin ko yung Jeep. Ako magda-drive ng Jeep, guys. So, 2 sasakyan dadali namin yung truck tapos yung Jeep. And then, sa akin si Kinsley tapos sa kanya si Ellie sa truck niya. Kasi nga, mabalbon si Kinsley, diba? Naglalagas yung buhok niya. Kaya dun siya sa Jeep. Pero never pa namin nilagay si Kinsley dun eh. So, wala kaming choice kundi kasi kailangan namin isama si Kinsley. Dahil nga, lagi naman namin siyang sinasama kapag ka-camping namin, off-roading. Wala rin kasi kami maiwanan. And mahirap din kasi yung hindi kasi kilala ni Kinsley ibang tao. Hindi namin alam, ganun, di ba? So, may mga friends kami dito, pero parang ayaw ni Travis. Mas gusto niya na lang daw dalhin si Kinsley. Tsaka para naman daw makapag-video rin kami ng mga ilang footage, ng mga ilang video para sa Jeep. Kasi yung Jeep kaya namin binili para din talaga sa off-roading namin hobby. Ayun. So ayun, we're super excited sa aming fall camping. First fall camping ni Ellie, guys. Are you excited, baby? Are you excited?
I'm excited.
It's gonna be your first fall camping. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold up here.
Enough.
So, kasama namin si Kinsley, kasama namin yung family kami and yung mga friends namin kasama. Tapos mag-ano lang kami ulit ng pagkain. Magdadala lang ulit kami ng pagkain. So, 1 night kami doon and 2 days. So, 1 night kaming matutulog doon and then 1 day kaming ano to, babe? What is that?
What is it? Is that from our ear?
Uh-huh.
That's just earwax. Oh, no.
Really?
That's not. That's hot.
So, ayun guys, ang ating vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. Yun lang, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung tent kasi ang ganda talaga. So, sa mga naghahanap ng tent, pwede nyo yung, baka i-consider na bilhin. Hindi siya sponsor ha, pero maganda lang talaga siya. Honest review, no? Madali siyang ligpitin, madali siyang, tawag nito, ikabit, madali siyang ilatag, no? So, yun, nagustuhan namin. Ang ganda rin ng kulay. Perfect siya for winter, perfect for summer. So, yun lang guys ang ating vlog. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!